Good morning, children. Today, let's move on to Chemistry Chapter 5, Water, Part 1. Learning Objective. To know about water, a natural resource. Introduction. Water is essential for the survival and the existence of all living organisms, including humans. We all use water every day for various activities like drinking, brushing, cooking, washing clothes and utensils, etc. Availability of water on Earth. We all know that our Earth is covered with 75% of water and the remaining 25% is land. Out of 75%, 2% of water exists in solid form, that is ice. Out of the rest 98%, about 97.4% is present in oceans and seas and is salty. Only 2.6% of water is fresh water, of which 1.98% is present in ice caps and glaciers, 0.61% is groundwater, and only 0.01% is available for consumption. From the given flow chart, you can conclude that most of the water available on the earth is not fit for consumption. Hence, there is need to conserve water. Next is about definition of natural resource. Things that are available in nature are called natural resources. Water is a natural resource. Second one is ice cap. It is a permanent covering of ice over a large area, especially around the north and south poles. And last one is about glacier. Glacier is a slowly moving mass of ice formed by the accumulation of snow on mountains or near the poles. Now let's move on to questions. Question number 1. What percentage of Earth is surrounded by water? Number 2. Define ice cap. Number 3. What is meant by glacier? Number 4. Give few examples for natural resources. And number 5. What occupies 97.4% of liquid form of water? Read these questions carefully and write your answers in a chemistry note or in an A4 sheet. Thank you, children.